How to create a radial chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Radial Chart. Search for Radial Chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select Metric column. Select Dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Radial chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Radial chart data requirements. You need between 0 to 1 column of categorical data to create a radial chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a radial chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: radial chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. In this video, first we will create a radial chart with 1 numerical data column. Later, we will add 1 categorical data column. Search for radial chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Sales. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 1 numerical data column. Now, we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select Dimension region. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 1 categorical and 1 numerical data columns. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Arc and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label Stats to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the arc. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of all arcs. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs, and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.